Alright, Nancy's gonna jump. Woohoo! Nice one. Alright, try it one more time.
I want to get my boot on first.
Good idea.
Oh.
Come on. You can do it. Alright, do it one more time. I think.
I got too much ice. I hate ice in my shoe.
Alright, Nance. I think you're doing a wonderful job. Let's get a long jump. Alright, last one. Make it good. Nice.